Yeah.
New York is famous for its delis, and since Jersey really has nothing going for it except for being New York overflow, we decided to head to Jersey to try out one of the most famous delis New York has to offer. You got giant pickles the size of Manhattan Island, and don't let that salad fool you into thinking we're eating healthy. If you've never had Matzah Ball soup, you'll get enough for about 18 people here, and you gotta try it. Let me just tell you, this is so f***ing good.
This is some Matzah Ball soup.
Ah, yeah.
And it's really good.
Ah, yeah. You gotta have an appetite when you come to this plate. Everything is oversized, and it's gotta be your cheat day for sure. Cause look at the freaking size of this knish.
Yeah, thank you.
But the main course from Harold's Deli, and the best course, is the mound of pastrami that comes at you. Yes, that's pastrami.
And then potato pancake.
Now also get the bread. So Naomi, you have your bread for the pastrami? David? You have your bread?
Throw that pastrami on some rye bread with mustard, and you know what time it is. It's f***ing game time. Now the food was great, but the best time about the day, and the main course, was being with family that I hadn't seen for a long time. Don't forget to subscribe to The Good Life, VFC's Travels on YouTube. Ah, yeah.
We'll have, I'm sure we'll still have extra takeaway.
So how many people is
It
it?
says 5 to 8.
Oh, yeah.